Myself, Shanti.
Would like to invite you all for first ever Tollywood Zumba workshop organized by TFMP in Poland, sorry, in Warsaw. So
Yeah.
yeah, we planned this event so organized and interactive and also lively. So whoever likes some songs, you can suggest us for the future workshops or future classes, whatever. We are having a nice, good looking and good looking and charming instructor. She's already organizing so many Zumba classes and she's well trained too. We would like to invite
Sunita Verma garu. Here you go. Please. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I would like to just address some problems that we face in our, being a woman in our daily life. As Sailila mentioned, there are some things like we are moms, we are working 9 to 5 jobs, so it becomes very difficult, but giving 1 hour to yourself to make yourself fit is very, very important. And if we want to do something which is fun and at the same time help us to make ourselves fit, then I think Zumba is the best option for that. One more thing that I would like to say, that life is really stressful here, especially because we have to hustle every day. We have to settle ourselves down, coming from India to here. It's not an easy thing to do. So Zumba is a very good exercise for busting your stress as well. And when you don't have stress, your hormones will balance, you will feel good, you will sleep well, and you will see the changes in yourself in like few months. So
First of all, thank you so much for all of you for attending in this beautiful Zumba journey, because this is Zumba is a first experience even for me as well. So I was thinking like I could do at least some moves, but thanks to Sunita, like I could do some. And Zumba is the very excellent tool for making ourselves so lively, mentally as well as physically. So do you agree with me? Yes. So because today we have our own beloved songs and everything, and this is really unknowingly we will burn out our calories. So whatever now it is, it can be a cheat day even for you all. You can eat whatever you would like to, but at the same time again come back to Zumba. So this is the main motto, and TFFP, Telugu Families and Friends in Poland. We all members believe that we should give some kind of a platform with the experienced trainers like Sunita, who has been successfully running the classes for the last few days. I think she has started recently, but the response is enormous. So that is the thing, that is the vibe she has created here, and we are so lucky, like even through Telugu community also, and for all of you, not only Telugu community. It is just a mediatory. It's a mediation. Telugu friends and families in Poland, TFFP is just a mediation, but ultimately it is you who is taking up the classes, and it is she who is giving you the classes. Okay?
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today. It's not easy to get up on a Sunday morning and decide that I will burn my calories today. So, big hand for you all for joining. Also, big thanks to Shobhaji, because she was the one who showed me the way how we can do it, and because of her we are able to do this workshop today. Sai Leela and Shanti helped me a lot. They collaborated, they coordinated with me a lot, and we have been, for you guys to come and just enjoy the workshop, but there is a lot of work that happens behind it, and Sai Leela and Shanti did it for us. So a big thank you to you. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I do Zumba, after I finish my session, I feel that I lost like 10 kgs from my body. I feel that I can fly now. So I feel so light, so stress-free. And I hope you guys felt the same. I heard some recommendations of the songs from some people for the next session. So I can see the energy, the excitement in you guys. And I hope that you keep this spirit high, these hopes that you want to lose weight, you want to get fit, you want to give yourself your time, that me time that we are missing here.
Yes.
I hope you get that through TFFP, through us, and it's just a little initiative that we are trying to help all the women who are trying to achieve whatnot in this foreign land. So
I'm not sure who thought this idea of having Zumba session, but we all enjoyed it. I'm sure we all forgot all our stress from our mind performing all the 5 or 6 songs, and then we were so happy, jumping, celebrating, moving our own steps. So I just want to say that we women always have 110 things in our head to think about, but then taking time out of a busy schedule and then performing for ourselves, fitness with fun. We can say Zumba fitness with fun.
And so I enjoy a lot. I recommend to all women take time and 1 hour at least, 1 hour 30 minutes at least, and try to do that. It's a really great fun, and I love Zumba. Zumba, I'm like a lot of calories, so I think so for my goal, glowing skin too. So glowing skin and fitness, all that. And thank you, Shobha, and giving chance for as a part of this community and with this team of attention. Thank you, Sunita.